Are you never the favourite? We all like to think people don't have favourites, but they do. Sometimes it just jumps out at you, doesn't it? You can see, you can observe how you are not the favourite. I've had that just now, and it's given me such a giggle, because it's reminded me about what I'm doing when I know I am not being the favourite, because I have a bit of a stinky attitude. I've been a little bit obstreperous. To be honest, I'm just being a little bit too my natural, unthinking self. But I also know that's not really useful, so I have to kind of snap right out of it and get a better strategy, or I am never going to connect with those people. I'm never going to make an impact on them. And it reminded me of why certain aspects of my career was so challenging. If that's something you struggle with, let's have a conversation, because you don't have to be in that place, and I can help you get out of it. Get a strategy so that you're making an impact with people, and not that you're the outlier, the troublemaker, the awkward person. Maybe you could actually make yourself the favourite for a change. How radical would that be? Get in contact.